Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus easy, step by step. Let's gather our simple ingredients first. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, a clove of garlic, and some good olive oil. Make sure your food processor or blender is ready to go, as it's key to achieving that smooth, creamy texture we all love. Now, let's get blending. First, drain and rinse your chickpeas well. This helps remove excess sodium and creates a cleaner flavor. Add the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic to your food processor. For that extra smooth consistency, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. This helps everything blend beautifully without making it too thick. Continue blending until your hummus is wonderfully creamy and smooth. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. While it's blending, slowly drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This adds richness and helps achieve the perfect texture. Don't forget to taste it and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper to your liking. Once your hummus is perfectly smooth and seasoned, transfer it to a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle a little more olive oil over the top and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika. It's fantastic with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables like carrots and celery, or even as a spread in sandwiches. Enjoy your delicious homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.